Okay, we are back at it in tutorial 7. We're going to do a few more things with our spreadsheets and save the workbook. So what I've done here in our spreadsheets, where we have them split out between truck, Camaro, and Oldie, I've added common fields here. Of course, our ever important shape ID field. These are pretty common between all, but I've added in column G in each one of these. And for truck, it's off-road package. For Camaro, it's racing kit. For Oldie, it's retro kit, something special for each one of these shape types. So now we're ready to start populating the rows, the records for each one of these. Now, remember, we've already established each one of these on the Visio diagram, so let's hop to the Visio diagram, and you can see we've got several set up here. Well, imagine if there are over 500. So we need to be able to get a way to get the names, the shape IDs, off of each one of these objects without having to do onesies and twosies from Visio. So Visio does give you a pretty quick reporting capability in our data reports, and you can just create a new report, and we're going to say shapes on current page. That's our only page, so we go next. And then we need to choose the properties we want to report. Now disregard this shape ID. That's internal to Visio, as with any of these between the angle brackets. If you scroll down, however, you'll see our shape underscore ID. Select that. Next. Doesn't matter what you have for report title. Next. Let's save it as auto report new, because I've tried a few others, and then we'll finish. And you see it's here. Auto report new. So if we select it and run, and we choose Excel as our export format, it will generate a report for us. And as you can see what it came up with. It came up with a lot of those are objects that are not shapes. But the boxes, the text objects, they don't show up. These are legend shapes. You can ignore those. But here are all the truck, the Camaro, the Oldie, the showroom shapes. Okay. So, I'm sorry, showroom is not a master shape, just truck, Oldie, and Camaro. So we can take those and put them into a actual Excel into our spreadsheet by simply going back to Excel and copying and pasting, and which I've already done to save time here. As you see, I've separated them out to where all the truck instances show up under truck, all Camaros here, and Oldie. Okay, so I've got it laid out. Now I need to start populating data in here across all these. I'll do that offline, so we'll be ready for the next tutorial. And filling this in so we have data to accompany each one of these named shape ID records.